Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. You know, we say on this page, put fingerprint, blueprint, paw print, footprint, brain print, make a blueprint, make a pink print, make a timeline to meet the deadlines, because everything you touch or think of is going to magnify to something beautiful. Also remember, nothing is happening to you. Everything is happening for you. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings me, and I transform darkness into light. I allow myself to grow and become stronger. Therefore, I can sustain bigger blessings than I originally planned. You're way stronger than you actually believe. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.